Welcome to Knowledge Essential. In today's guide, I'll show you how to effectively use Outlier AI, a powerful tool for data analysis and insights. I'll display the steps on the screen. Please make sure follow each one of them. Firstly, visit the Outlier AI website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, connect your data sources. Outlier AI integrates with a range of platforms like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and more. After linking your data, navigate to the dashboard to view insights. Outlier AI automatically detects anomalies and trends within your data, so you can quickly identify what's working and what's not. Use filters to focus on specific metrics or segments relevant to your business. You can also set up custom alerts to get notifications whenever unusual activity is detected. This way, you can stay on top of critical changes without manually tracking everything. Finally, explore the report section for the summary of insights and data-driven recommendations. Remember, understanding the data will help you make better business decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this.